Be a cold start on our red 67 427 435. I mean, the engine's cold. Put my hand on anything you want, it's all cold. Water pump. All right, go ahead. Walk around it. Headlights roll. Alright. Stuff I got in here right now. Fresh body off restored 327 365 horse car. Every piece of paperwork from new. 60 big brake 270 horse car. 90 ZR1 one owner maroon coupe 300 horse. One owner 73 L82 4-speed. It's a 2015 Corvette with 15,000 original miles, and this is a 63 split window red, just sold on Bring a Trailer. So that's what I got up here in my showroom at the moment. Want to see any more videos of the red 67, just let me know.